Fill my nail book with me, part 31. Today, I'll be teaching you guys how to do pottery nails. As always, don't forget to follow and then drop a comment of the nail inspo you want to see me do next. Let's get into it. Oh, what is that? A piece of lint? I hate when that happens, but it's so satisfying when it like drags off like that. Literally was just about to say I'm gonna cure this for a minute, but let me get this off my finger. If you haven't noticed, I took off my last set, which lasted like a month, so I'm really happy to have that off and put on some new nails tomorrow. Okay, so cure this for a full minute. I'm gonna mix my same base color with some acrylic powder. This should be like a 1-to-1 ratio. I put way too much acrylic powder, but that's okay. I can just add some more polish to it. But yeah, as I was saying, it should be like a puffy paint consistency. You can use dip powder for this. It can be clear or white. I don't think it really matters because you're gonna paint over this. Going for like abstract swirls. Ooh, that was perfect, okay. Flash cure this with my little lamp, just so it doesn't move around. I think that looks pretty good. Honestly, don't know what like pottery design I'm doing right now. I was an art major in college, so this is very like reminiscent of when we would just make our pottery and then you would glaze it and it would low-key come out like not how you wanted it to. I think I'm gonna try and do a little star. It's like midnight right now. Is that doing too much? Let's just make it quick. Stars have low-key become pretty easy for me the more I do them. And I don't think this one has to be perfect. I'm gonna try and be like creative with this one and not look up like any inspo pics. Because I feel like that's something I do a lot, is I just look up inspo and just how I can like renovate it. So I'm gonna try and like come up with my own. So this first layer is all complete and I just cured this entire nail for 30 seconds. Now's the part we're gonna build up the pottery design. For instance, like these swirls are pretty like 3D already, but I'm definitely gonna build up the star so it can look like it has little like glazing when I put the jelly color on top of it. This part should be super easy because you're literally just following the outline that you already made. I'm really excited for like all the Halloween designs, like nail designs, even though I've already done some, but I mainly mean like on myself because I don't know what I want to do tomorrow when I do my nails. I'm definitely gonna do cat eye because Beetle sent me some really cool polishes. But I don't know if I want to make it like fall themed or what. The pottery design's all done, so I'm going to cure this for a full minute. For the glaze, I kind of want like an unconventional color, which is going to be like this yellow green type of color. I want it to be kind of vintage. Okay, first impression. Actually, I'm not going to give my first impression yet. I need to paint it first. Okay, this is perfect for the first coat. You just want it to be super sheer all over. Now to make it more realistic, I'm using a dark green and going around the corner. You just want to put it around the grooves to make it look like everything else is like elevated. So now that the outside's outlined, I'm going to use a brush and just wipe off a lot of the product that's on the 3D to make it look even more defined. Mixed up some aqua because I feel like this just looks like baby food on my nail. I'm going to use this to outline my stars and stuff. I know it looks like a lot of steps, but this is my first time doing it, so I'm sure if I were to do it again, I would know the do's and don'ts. Now I'm going to blend this out. Oh, that's perfect, yeah. I like this a lot more. I feel like this actually looks like pottery. This is the finished pottery nail. Let me know how you guys think I did. I'm gonna link all these products I used in my Amazon storefront under nail book. So we're done with the third row now. Let me know which one of these nails was your favorite. I definitely have to say this one. Bye guys.